4 useful prepositions with examples. Until time limit. Meaning, up to a certain time. Wait here until I come back. The shop is open until 10 p.m. Beside, next to. Meaning, very close to something. He sat beside me. The dog is sleeping beside the chair. Over, above, covering. Meaning, higher than and often covering. The plane flew over the city. She put a blanket over the baby. Above, higher level. Meaning, at a higher position. The fan is above my head. The temperature is above 30 degrees Celsius. Tip. Beside equals next to. Over equals above or covering. Above equals higher position. Double tap if this helped you. Please share this post with your friends or study-related groups.